Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before everything, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fahri Batullah, and now I will be a moderator. I will be moderator for this podcast. Because of what? Because in this occasion, in this time, we will have a podcast and we will discuss about the traditional food in Indonesia. We will talking about the traditional food from each region. Because of what? Because as we know that Indonesia is a country that has a variety of cultures, such as languages, such as behaviors, such as foods, and many other. But for this time, for this podcast especially, we will talk about and we will discuss about the traditional foods in Indonesia. And now I have some friends who will explain about the traditional food from each region. Because of what? Because as we know that also Indonesia has many regions, and each region has a traditional food. And my friends, we will explain about that step by step. And I hope you all to pay attention about this podcast. Because of what? Because this podcast maybe will give you information, maybe will give you new information and new knowledge about the foods, and especially for the traditional foods in Indonesia. And that is from me. Let's listen our explaining and my friends explaining. Okay, dadah.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Milda Laila Syaban from the Department of History Islamic Civilization, Faculty of Adab Humanities, UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung, and I come from Padalarang. As for my favorite food, I like chicken, which is processed into various dishes. Moreover, I like processed chicken that use a lot of spices. When asked about foods that I don't like, I'm confused to answer because there are many foods that I like. Maybe stale food I don't like, as well as foods that smell bad like jengkol. The typical food that comes from my area seems to be kupat tahu Padalarang. Nah, kupat tahu Padalarang is which has a gravy that has vermicelli in it. In the Padalarang area, there are many who sell it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Miftahul Jannah. You can call me Miftah or Mita. I'm from Department of Arabic Language Education, UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. And if you ask me where do I come from, maybe a little confusing because my parents are from different areas. But maybe you can think I live in Prabu Muli, South Sumatra. Yes, for my favorite food, maybe there are lots of them because I really like to eat. You could say all of them are my favorite foods. but if I had to choose one, maybe I would choose pecel, especially made by my mom. I like pecel because its taste is good. Pecel is delicious because of the peanut sauce. All food that have peanut sauce are delicious, like batagor, somai, satay, and others. The food that I don't like is smelly food, like a petai, jengkol, and others, because it smells after eating and I don't like it. The typical food of Prabu Muli is the same as the typical food of Palembang, namely pempek. Prabu Muli is also known as the city of pineapple, so the typical food of Prabu Muli is pineapple-based food, like cake pineapple or pineapple dodol or something like that. Yeah.
Hello guys, my name is Mentari Fajariatul Islamiyah. You can call me Mentari and I come from Depok. My favorite food is all of food made from potato because I very like a potato. And before I dislike with jengkol, but after I imagined that a jengkol was a potato, I very like a jengkol. My village is in Palembang and the favorite food of Palembang is pempek, and the composition of pempek is flour, sago, fish, hot water, salt, and also flavoring.
Hello, my name is Maya Ismayanti and I'm student majoring in the history of Islamic civilization and I'm come from Ciamis, West Java. Now, I will talk about food and my favorite food is eggplant balado and any dish made from vegetable because I really like vegetables, eggs, bitter melon. The food that I don't like is food that is mixed with mayonnaise. Whatever the food is, if it mixed with mayonnaise, I don't like it. The typical food of Ciamis area is galendo. Galendo is a food made from coconut juice, which is the cook in a large skillet and then strained. I think galendo is quite delicious.
Okay, thank you very much for your nice attention. That is from us. If you get some mistakes from our video or from our podcast, I apologize to you all as moderator from this podcast. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.
Fantastic.